Oh, I shut the door. Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean or Mustang 09, and today we're back in the garage working on the turbo Mustang build. Part 9, I think, is what this one is. And as I said in the last video, we are finally installing the turbo kit. So we've done all of our factory upgrades. If you haven't seen those videos, it's in one of these corners. Go check it out. I appreciate it. And so yeah, first thing we're jumping into today is the AC line. There's an AC line that On3 provides you have to replace a factory one with. So we're gonna do that. Got Joey here helping me out, so make sure to go follow him on Instagram. And we're gonna get started right here in the back of the motor. As you guys can see back here, there is this top line that we're gonna take out. There appears to be like a little hook on it, so you can see Joey supplied right here. This little hook hooks onto the bottom AC line. And we've already taken a nut off, but now we're gonna pop this one out and unhook it from the compressor, and then we will we'll put the new one in. But here's step number 1. Alright guys, if you can tell, we have one of the manifolds in. It was a little bit challenging. We had to do some dremeling. It's right here. But what happened is the bolt up front, oh, you're really dark. Let me see here. The bolt up front, the hole, it was like, I'll put a picture in and you'll see it was just misaligned. And so we dremeled it out just a little bit and it fit. I mean, we didn't do anything too crazy, just a little bit of etching in there and it's gone. Fit on perfect the first try. It could be because of the coating that's on there. Maybe it added some thickness to it. So I don't want to knock On3 for fitment issues. I don't know who to blame. Either way, it's not a big deal. It's fit, it fits, it's on. It was an easy solution. So thanks to Joey for having all kinds of tools, because I don't have that tool, which I'll link it down below, Amazon link. But I do want to say we did get a new tool. This guy. Shout out to my buddy Trevor over at Motion Auto TV. He introduced this to me, and this thing is amazing. Picked it up at Home Depot this afternoon, and it has been working wonders. I mean, you pair this thing up with like a wobble socket, and it's pretty much unstoppable. So I really, really like it. It's strong, and it goes with all the batteries that I already have. So yeah, shout out to Trevor. Thanks for introducing me to this awesome tool, which will be linked below. Check it out. Now we're moving on to the passenger side. I don't know if I showed you guys, but we got the AC line all ran. It's right here. It's all coated with that DEI stuff. So we shouldn't have any issues there with heat, but that'll go down below and drop down to the AC compressor. But first we're gonna put this manifold on. We taped it up so we can avoid any scratches the best we can, because the ceramic coating does look beautiful. Trying to keep it looking nice inside of the car. While it looks like it's in, it's actually coming out. We think we're having the same issue with the coating, so we're gonna hit it with a Dremel just real quick, kind of get some of that coating off from inside of those holes, and it should mount on, no problem. So tag it real quick, and then we'll show you guys the install. You can see driver side manifold is on really good. Passenger side manifold is on really, really good. So now, Mr. Joey, I think we're gonna try and put the merge pipe on just for giggles. I don't know if it's time to do it yet, but we really want to. And if we get that on, we're fingers crossed hoping we can put the turbo on that and kind of get a picture of what it's gonna look like in the car, which the turbo will have to come off because we have more stuff to do, but it's gonna look sick. So here it goes. This is on. Obviously it's not permanent. We're kind of doing it tonight for the looks and stuff of getting the turbo on it, kind of seeing where that looks like and getting some motivation from it. But it looks good. It's really close to this pulley right here, but we think there's gonna be some room for adjustment once we get the alternator and stuff on. So obviously like this bracket here goes to the alternator, and we'll have to really figure out where we're running the turbo drain line once we get everything back on. But yeah, I think we're gonna try and smash this guy on just to see what it looks like. That's gonna be motivating for sure. And then hopefully, you know, next few videos, get the rest of this stuff on. Then we get a startup video, fingers crossed. All right, let's try and mount this. Well, people, I got some bad news. Our V-band isn't the right kind. When I ordered the kit, the guys at On3 told me that they were out of the V-bands that mount this turbo to the merge pipe, and to order one. And so what we needed is one that had longer threads, which this one does. However, on the inside here, it's not wide enough to allow it to close properly. So unfortunately for tonight, we're stopping here. It looks really good. I know this seems like it was like really easy to do with putting on 2 manifolds and a merge pipe, but let me tell you, this side over here was a pain, man. It was really figuring out why it wasn't lining up and using our heads to, you know, loosen all the bolts and see if we had some wiggle room with it, which we tried that, and then finally we just busted out the Dremel. And as you guys saw me do on the passenger side, it had to have been because of the coating. We just knocked the coating off on the inside from the other bolts or the holes, and it went on no problem. So kind of lame ending for the night. I really wanted to get that picture of the turbo mounted up, but very successful evening. Got a lot of stuff done. Some stuff you guys didn't see underneath the car, getting things bolted up and tidied up. So, you know, nothing to be disappointed with. I'm excited of where we're at. And episode 10 should see, hopefully, this guy mounted on there by the end of the next episode. So thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, be sure to give my buddy Jody a follow. I'll leave his Instagram down below. He's a huge help. So are all the other guys. But yeah, see you guys back here for episode 10. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you boys next time. Take it easy. Peace.